Hey guys, Tanya and David with Outside by Side.
Are you tired of unhitching and breaking down your camper to go to the dump station when you don't have full hookups?
We wanted to share with you our solution.
Look at that view.
So today we're going to be using our gray Rhino portable waste holding tank. This one is a 28 gallon. This thing has been a godsend for us because if we didn't have this, we would have to disconnect everything and go to the dump station, dump, and then come back and connect everything back up like we did earlier. We're going to be draining our gray tank into here, and then we're going to hook it up to the back of our truck and take it to the dump station. So far, we have never used this for our black tank. Tanya and I can go almost a full week before we have to worry about dumping. So we've only used this for our gray so far. And I wanted to show y'all how it works. So basically, the tank has wheels. It has a filling valve on the top. It also has another valve on the side to dump with a gate valve. This is a vent so that you can let air in or out while you're draining it or filling it. This is also a nice feature. It's like a black tank rinse. You can hook your water hose to this, and it has a jet in it, just like a black tank flush, where you can hook your hose into here. After you're finished dumping, it'll spin around and rinse your tank. So that's also a nice feature. It also comes with this short 3-inch flexible sewer hose, a orange sewer flush hose to flush or rinse your tank, and it comes with two 90-degree or elbows to hook into the tank and hook into the dump station. So we're going to go ahead and show you how all this works. The first thing you're going to need to use, this elbow is unique with this tank because it hooks on right here. We're going to be using our regular sewer hose today. We're not going to use the short one for this. That hooks onto there. And then we're going to go ahead and pull this over here since it's lower. In order for this to actually work, you have to open up this vent right here so that the air can come out of the tank as the tank fills with water. You definitely have to have this open for this process to work. So now we're going to pull the gray, and keep in mind that we have a 40-gallon tank that's full, and this is only 28 gallons, so we're not going to be able to empty the whole tank. Here we go. So if you look right here, you can start to see the bubbles coming up to the top. And I think we're about full. So we're going to go ahead and shut it off at this end. Now we're going to go ahead and disconnect the hose from this end to get the leftovers out of the hose. Now we're going to lift the hose, try to get any extra So it looks like we've got about 28 gallons of this tank, and that's all she can take. So we're going to go ahead and put the vent hose back on. And keep in mind, this is our gray water. It's not our black water. We've never used this tank for black water yet. We've never needed it for black. So now we're going to go ahead and disconnect the hose at this end and cap this side. So now we're going to back up the truck so that we can hook up the tank to the hitch. This tank came with this metal hauling hitch bracket, and so this is how this works. You slide it up underneath the handle, and then it locks in there like that, and this makes it a little bit easier to carry. So what we're going to do, we're going to pick it up and we're going to drag it over to the truck. And so here's how you hook it up to the back of your truck. And now we need a few more pieces to do the dump. Before you head to the dump station, make sure that you have a hose and a elbow, 90-degree elbow to dump into the ground. So now we're going to unhook it from the truck. Got our hoses. Always make sure your gate valve is shut. Note to self, if we ever run out of coffee, we have some leftover coffee in here that we could use. All right, so now we're going to hook this up to this end. Open it up just like you would your trailer. Make sure that your vent is open. Pull your gate valve. At some dump stations, they actually have a hose that you can use to rinse out your tanks. Keep in mind that most dump stations, it's going to be non-potable water, so do not drink it, do not take a shower with it, or wash your truck. So we're going to take this and hook it up to our black tank flush, similar to what you would do with your RV. So we're going to open this valve, or this port. This thing has a place where you can hook the hose up to it. It also has a one-way backflow preventer to prevent any yucky stuff from being sucked back up into the hose. And now we're going to turn on the water to rinse the tank out. And so basically what's happening is there's a jet that's spinning inside of the tank, and it's rinsing the tank, and it should be flowing, the clean water should be flowing back out of the hose here. Now that should be good. We're going to turn this off. And disconnect that hose. We're going to shut this valve off, close our vent, disconnect our hose, cover that up. And then what I always like to do, there's also always a little bit of stuff left in here. And what you can do is hook it up to this end, right here. And now we're going to dump out anything that's left over in the bottom. And that's it. So we might have a little bit left in our gray tank. It's not really worth dumping that little bit. We can wait for it to fill back up and do this again tomorrow. And like I said, our black tank is only about half full over the couple days that we've been here, so we're not really going to worry about our black tank. We could probably get it on the way out at the dump station when we leave tomorrow. So it's always a good idea on these sewer hoses, whenever you're finished with them, if you can cap them, anything that's left inside of them will always stay inside of them, and then you don't have to worry about them leaking out in the back of your truck or in your RV storage. Note to self, next time do not wear flip-flops at the dump station.
These tanks come with a ladder hook that are designed to hook onto your ladder. We don't have a ladder, so we bought this Rhino bracket that hooks onto your bumper, and the bracket enables us to carry it on our bumper while we're traveling. So we wanted to show that to you as well.
We hope this video has helped make your camping experience less work and more fun.
If you like videos like these, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and share with anybody who loves camping.
Thank you for watching. It also came with a short, hold on, babe. Now we're going to go ahead and disconnect the hose from this end to get the leftovers out of the hose. Oh, shit. That's what I'm talking about.
If you like videos like these, share. If you like videos like these, like our channel. No. If you like videos like these, subscribe to our channel, like our video.
Oh, crap. We don't have a trailer hitch. We got a helicopter going by.